When we look around today, it seems like AI can do almost everything. For architectural design, it can read briefs through language models like GPT, generate conceptual images with Midjourney, and render sketches or 3D models with Stable Diffusion. It can even automate modeling in Rhino, write code in Grasshopper, prepare construction drawings in Revit, and enable robotic fabrication. The list goes on. These abilities raise both exciting and unsettling questions. Are they really possible today? If not now, how soon? And as AI continues to advance, what more will it take over? Most importantly, what is left for us as architects to do? This tension between fear and possibility is not new. In the 1980s, when CAD replaced hand drafting, many feared the loss of architectural craft. Yet, CAD became an everyday tool. It made workflows more efficient, opened entirely new methods of design, and even gave rise to new architectural languages such as parametric design. Our studio takes place at a similar turning point. The theme is not simply AI and speculative futures, but how design itself might change once AI becomes a standard tool. This is not about rendering a cyberpunk fantasy. Instead, we ask, like CAD before it, how can AI assist? How can it augment? How can it automate? And in some cases, how might it authorize architects to imagine new forms of practice? The goal of this studio is not to start with designing a building, but with designing the design. You will work toward a proof of concept tool or workflow. Because every design tool carries its own logic and constraints, creating a workflow is also a way of designing a method, an experiment in how architecture might be practiced differently. While AI is a general purpose technology, it must be tailored to architectural needs to become truly valuable in our discipline. Our goal isn't to create new AI models from scratch. Rather, we'll begin with existing tools while asking critical questions. How can these tools integrate into our specific design workflows? How might we adapt them to incorporate architectural knowledge? And how can we customize them to respond to local contexts and data? Students will collaborate in groups of 2 to 3. The studio progresses through 3 stages. First, experiment. Each group will test different AI techniques, image generation, customized synthesis, 3D modeling, or language models. This is about learning the state of the art, where the tools succeed and where they fail. Second, investigate. You will study one real workflow from architectural or landscape practice, whether public engagement, bylaw analysis, conceptual modeling, or rendering. Through research and interviews, you will identify current challenges, then speculate, how might AI reshape this process now, in 5 years, in 15? What roles should architects take, and what risks should we remain cautious about? Third, prototype. Finally, you will develop a fragment of that future workflow as a proof of concept. It may involve testing data, customizing a model, or staging a demonstration. The result is not meant to be a polished product, but a way of making possibilities tangible, even if it is a fake it till you make it version. This studio, then, is both an invitation and a challenge, not only to design with AI, but to design how we design in the era of AI.